I am sure you love what you see. Now, let me quickly take you through the process of creating this gathered front design. Basically, what you need is your measurement for that toe part. Now, double the measurements. I mean the length measurement. The width you expect your gather to have, also double that and stitch it out. Turn it inside out, and that is what I have right there. So I'm going to be inserting the orange leather into it. I'm trying to attach a thread so that it can easily pass through what I just stitched. Now, the size of my orange leather, which I am actually going to use to gather it, is actually 2 centimeters lesser than the final width I want my gathered, pattern or design to look like. So all you need to do is to ensure that whatever you are inserting, the leather should have this exact size of the front you want, as well as a reduction in the width by about 2 centimeters. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.